Hi, I'm Lori Dawson. Welcome to my kitchen. I just got some new Pampered Chef things in the mail today, and I just wanted to give a quick demo and show you how incredibly cool they are. I am so excited. All right, let's get started. I'm also going to show you some things that are not new that I've had for a while as I make my salad. So I've got some spinach, and these are my handy dandy favorite salad scissors, because right in the bowl you can reach in and chop up your spinach. So no cutting board, no knife, no mess. And I've got chopped spinach. So here's my salad plate. I'm going to put my spinach on the plate. And this is going to be a really simple salad, nothing fancy. Mostly I just want to show you the tools and how they work. So we're going to have some apple on our salad. And what I did was I cut an apple into quarters. I'm going to get rid of the core. And then I'm going to put it into this quick slice. Push down, not very much effort, and look, we've got sliced apples. Okay, so I don't really want them in my salad in such big chunks, so I'm going to lay them in here crossways, keeping in mind which way my cutter's going to cut. Whoops, I lost one. Get it on the next one. Okay, so they're in there crossways, and I'm going to just push that down. And most of the apples stay right inside this lid, but not all of them. I'm going to dump them in a dish. But you can see they're fairly small pieces, about the size of a French fry. And if you wanted them smaller than that, you could put them in the manual food processor, which I just got too. And I haven't played with that yet. We'll do that. All right, so we're gonna put some apple on our salad. And then we're gonna do a little cheese. And I wanna show you the graters, which I've had for quite a while. This is cheddar cheese, and this is the coarse grater. And this handle, I'm never quite sure how to make it do it, because I usually use them straight. There you go. You have to kind of slide it sideways. So you can move this handle around into different positions. Mostly I use them straight. So this just grates really nicely some cheddar cheese onto my salad. Let's say that I'm doing a Caesar salad and I want to use fresh grated Parmesan. So I would switch to the little fine grater, and it makes like a Parmesan snow. And I'm going to do some on a plate. Let me give a plate so you can see it, because it's beautiful on my salad, but I think it's a little hard to see on the camera. But it just makes a really fine, it's like really easy to grate. Doesn't take very long to get quite a bit. And it's like a really fine snow. And delicious. I use it in sauces all the time. The other thing I got today is the spiralizer. And you guys, this thing is like magic. So the other day, I tried to do a sweet potato in my old one, and I couldn't do it. I finally had to chop it with a knife. But with this one, you just raise this up, pop the sweet potato on a little, it's kind of like a little nail that sticks up, a little post. Push this down. So now my sweet potato is caught between the top and the bottom. And then I'm just gonna turn. And it's really easy. It doesn't take any great strength or effort. And here comes sweet potato ribbons. Check that out. So tonight we are going to have, I'm not gonna do spaghetti because I'm not sure spaghetti would taste good with sweet potato noodles. I haven't figured out exactly what we're having, but some kind of a sauce with meat in it, and with this for noodles instead of regular pasta. But I'm just like in awe of how simple this thing is. And I need to tell you, I fought and fought and fought and fought the other day with my old one. It will do zucchini, but that's about it. So it's got like 4 different attachments, and it will only do zucchini. Go figure. But look at this. Isn't that cool? This is the fettuccine setting. So cool. So I'm going to show you the back. So this is the blade that kind of decides how things are going to get cut. This is a lock. So I'm going to unlock the lock just by unscrewing it, and I'm going to pull. I guess I can't do it with my sweet potato sitting on there, can I? It's got like a little rubber stopper that holds it in the upright position. So now I'm going to pull this out. So this is like a super sharp blade. And this is these wide ones are what I had it on for fettuccine noodles. If I want more like spaghetti, I just turn it upside down so it's really fine. And I'm just going to slice some sweet potato instead. So I'm going to push a little piece on there. Turn around so you can see. And I'm really not having to use any downward pressure. It's just going around and around. And what comes out is sliced up. It's almost ribbon-like too. It's funny, but it's sweet potato slices. A little bit different shape than the fettuccine ribbon. So if I were going to make sweet potato fries, this might be kind of cool. We'll have to season them and try it. So that is what I wanted to show you today. Is the quick slice and the spiralizer that just came. And then my graters, I use them every day and have for a long time. I love them. So really fun to get some new toys in the kitchen, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.